Before you buy ShowMojo for your real estate property management, there are a few things you absolutely need to know. In this video, we'll break it all down so you can make an informed decision and see how it stacks up against the competition. First off, ShowMojo offers a user-friendly interface designed to help property managers streamline their work. But it's not the only option on the market. Unlike competitors like Buildium and Appfolio, ShowMojo focuses more on automation for tasks like showing scheduling and communication with tenants. While it's great for simplifying these processes, if you're looking for a broader, all-in-one property management suite, this might not be your best fit. The second thing you need to know is that ShowMojo is all about scheduling. The system automatically handles appointment bookings, reminders, and confirmations, saving you tons of time. However, if you're managing multiple properties in different regions, you might find the scheduling somewhat limiting compared to platforms like Rentec Direct, which offers more extensive flexibility for larger operations. Next thing to consider is the ease of integration. ShowMojo integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like Zillow and Realtor.com, making it easy to sync your listings. But if you're already using a full-featured property management software, you might face some friction when trying to integrate with other tools that don't play as nicely with ShowMojo. Competitors like Appfolio and Propertyware offer smoother integration across a broader range of platforms. The fourth thing is that ShowMojo is all about simplicity. This can be both a pro and a con. If you're running a smaller operation or managing a few properties, the minimalism is perfect. But if you need more complex features, such as comprehensive accounting or detailed tenant reporting, you may find ShowMojo a bit lacking in those areas. Other options like Buildium and Rentec Direct provide robust accounting and financial features built directly into their platform. The fifth point is its marketing capabilities. ShowMojo shines when it comes to promoting your properties. It automatically posts listings to top rental websites and creates customized showing schedules. However, if you're looking for more marketing tools like email campaigns or tenant screening, you may find its features somewhat basic compared to competitors like Appfolio. The sixth thing you need to know is its customer support. ShowMojo offers solid customer service, but the level of support can sometimes fall short for more complex issues. Some users report that response times can be slow, especially during peak periods. In comparison, companies like Buildium and Appfolio generally provide faster and more comprehensive customer service options with dedicated support teams. Next, ShowMojo does offer an online tenant portal, which is essential for modern property management. It allows tenants to pay rent and submit maintenance requests easily. However, this portal doesn't have all the bells and whistles that competitors like Rentec Direct offer. If you're looking for a feature-packed portal, you might be better off with a more advanced option. The eighth thing to consider is how ShowMojo handles maintenance requests. It offers an efficient system where tenants can submit work orders directly through the platform. However, if you need in-depth tracking and more granular control over maintenance, you might want to look into other platforms that offer more robust features in this area. The ninth point is pricing. ShowMojo is competitively priced with a simple structure based on the number of properties you manage. This can be an advantage if you're just starting out or managing a smaller portfolio. But as your portfolio grows, you might find that competitors like Buildium or Appfolio offer more scalable pricing plans that can suit larger operations with more comprehensive needs. The 10th thing to know is its mobile app. ShowMojo offers a mobile app that allows you to manage your listings and showings on the go. While the app is functional, it's not as feature-rich as the apps from other property management software, like Appfolio or Rentec Direct, which offer full access to all aspects of property management, including accounting and tenant communication. Another important factor is the lack of advanced reporting. ShowMojo is great for basic reports, but it doesn't offer as much in-depth analysis as some of its competitors. If you're looking for detailed financial reports, tax management tools, and insights into the performance of your properties, alternatives like Buildium or Appfolio are much stronger options in this area. The final thing you should know about ShowMojo